I had a customer stop into the store with this window she found at a garage sale. She wanted the old artwork taken off and she wanted a transfer put on. I began by scraping off the old painted on artwork and then I washed it really well. I use Crud Cutter and I use Allen's cleaning vinegar. I wiped it down with clear water just a couple times to make sure there was no residue before I grabbed the transfer. So she chose the Flora Paris something 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 because I can't pronounce some of these IOD transfer names. So you know which one I mean. I'll link it in the description. And then I just start applying the transfer. We had discussed a general layout before she left it with me, so I just kind of went with that plan and pieced it all together. You can see here that a piece of the stem kind of jumped and stuck somewhere I didn't want it. So I just very carefully peeled it off using this razor blade and then very carefully tried to put it back down where it belongs. And of course it sticks where you don't want it. This little piece really did not want to go where it needed to go, but I managed to get it pretty close. So that's an easy way to kind of fix up those little boo-boos once in a while. Now with that crisis averted, I just continue on with the rest of the transfer application. I most often use the transfer's carrier sheet to burnish that transfer down. Just rubbing those edges especially to make sure that everything's good and stuck. And there it is, a brand new look for this old window. Thanks for watching.